Across Dimapur Kohima Education Institution T, Edges of SPIC, MSCAY Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Cultural Among Us Youth Kogina workshop organized Kugina Choli Thaka, Jakali Naga Student Federation, NSF True Press release Kugina workshop Opote Kandem and Opos Kridia Aji Government of Nagaland Directorate of School Education Nagaland Kohima other release Kridigina activities hall Krithakbole Jonai dia আছে Directorate of School Education release টি ইটো SPIC MSCAY program টি কোনবা problems পাই থাকা কাৰণে immediate effect algebra লইনা district education officer and school head khan sobki program related activities alag odor ne jatakti rukhi thakibole odor logina principal director directed kuri dia ase